In this video, we will install the Universal Dashboard module. The first thing we'll do is we'll open up PowerShell ISE as an administrator. Then we'll navigate to the course contents and open up Chapter 0 Setup. And then the first setup file. A dependency on the Universal Dashboard module is PowerShell Get version 2. Some systems may have PowerShell Get version 1, but I'll show you how to check. So in line 6, we'll run this, and we'll see that this system has PowerShell Get version 1. Now in line 10, this will install PowerShell Get version 2, or the latest updated PowerShell Get version. Now sometimes the NuGet provider needs to be updated. This is expected. Now that the install is complete, we'll check the available versions of PowerShell Get. On this system, now we have PowerShell Get version 2 and version 1 installed. Even though we have PowerShell version 2 installed, when we attempt to install the Universal Dashboard module, it will fail. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to uninstall PowerShell Get version 1. Now there are two paths that PowerShell modules can be installed: the program files and program files x86 paths. I'm running PowerShell ISE 64-bit version, so my module install will be installed in the 64-bit path. For run line 17, we'll see that both versions exist. And on line 21, we'll look at the child items in the x86 path, and only PowerShell version 1 is installed. PowerShell Get version 1 is installed. What we'll have to do is remove version 1 in both paths by running line 18 and line 22, and then copy the 2.2 version from the x64 path to the x86 path. Now we'll double check to see if we have the correct versions: 64-bit path, x86 path. Looks good. Now the last step is to close the PowerShell session we have and reopen it as administrator. Navigate to the setup1 file and run the Universal Dashboard module install. And then we'll accept the untrusted repository warning. And then we'll accept the GNU license agreement. And now we're ready to move on to our next step.